Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Let us today learn how to untie a tens in order to subtract. Let us begin. There is a Ganeshotsav celebration at Raj's house. Raj bought 28 units of sweets. But for the Ganeshotsav festival, 9 members of the society came to their house. Now, Raj is wondering how to distribute the 28 units of sweets. Also, the 28 units were such that there was a pack of 20 sweets and he had got 8 loose sweets. That means 8 sweets were separate. So 20 in a pack and 8 separate. Now when 9 people came for the festival, Raj was wondering, how do I distribute the sweets? Shall I give each of them one sweet, or what would be the distribution pattern? If I have to give 9, that is 1 to each person, how will I subtract 9 from 28? How much will remain? All these answers Raj was wondering for. Let us help Raj. Let us try to subtract 9 from 28. Now, how do we do the subtraction? Let us first write all the units place digits under units column and tens place digits under the tens column as shown here. So we have 8 from 28 in the units place, the number 9 in the units place. We have 2 from 28 in the tens place. Let us do the subtraction. While doing the subtraction, let us represent each digit by a circle, or let us say like this. I have 2 tens. 2 tens means I have 2 into 10, 20 sweets, right? 2 tens, which means I have 20 sweets. And I have 8 single sweets, that is 8 units. Thus, I have a total of 28 sweets with 2 tens and 8 units. If I am untying a 10, which means I will remove one 10 from the tens column. How many tens do I have? I have 2 tens. If I remove one single tens, how much will remain? 1 10. So, under the tens column, only 1 10 will remain and one more 10 will move to the units column. Now, in the tens column, I can say I have 1 tens, whereas in the units column, I call by each unit. So, how many units are there? Please count. If you count, you will see you have 18 units. How many units? 18 units.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.